kind of interesting. Gotta go up through there. Yeah, I'm home free now. Gotta hop these sidewalks. So I've got my rope up in it. About to anchor it. And then I'll tie it to the machine. Let it land right here on the lawn. Alright, got it tied. We're gonna set the tension on it now. I think it's gonna fall on its own, which will be fine. We just putting a rope in it for insurance here, so we're doing. Let's sit there and hold it. Okay. So this is why this tree's coming down. It's a grind job too. It's gonna be a pretty big stump to grind. Alright, so I'm gonna notch it. It'll fall right at the mini. That's 661. I'm gonna tell you what. That thing will make a preacher cuss right there, boy. So it wasn't bad, but it wasn't good either. I'll cut that stump on down. This is a giant ash, is what this is gonna be. It makes some killer firewood. I don't know about this one because it got so many daggum knots and stuff on it. So I'm about to fire up the 400. Just heard my machine kick over to do a regen, so I'm gonna walk down there, open it up wide open, and get my 400 and go to town on this beast. Kind of broke my heart when it hit the ground. It broke into a bunch of pieces. That makes my job tougher. I pick up all that junk. Hey, damn it. So this is what it looks like now, cleaned up. They told me, and I got lucky on this, said don't worry about the little stuff, we'll take care of that. I was like, Heck yeah, man. So I'm about to fire the grinder up. So this is what it looks like done. See the stump, backfilled it. Right there. Just a few leaves, man, that's it. Got her done. Now I'm gonna go hook up to my gooseneck. It's sitting over on the other side of the building.